My name is Geraint Roberts. I'm the head coach and chairman of the South Wales Warriors. I joined in about 2001, 2002. Just started as a player. I always liked the NFL. I was on the internet one day, come across the South Wales Warriors in one of their match reports and thought it'd be something I'd like to get involved in. We've got a senior team which is for 18 plus, so we do run a youth programme as well for players aged 13 to 18. The rules of the sport are basically you have to make 10 yards in 4 plays and then you have to try and score on every time you get the ball. Obviously it's a lot more complicated, there's an awful lot of rules, but the whole ethos of the game is basically just try and move the ball downfield and score. It is a game for all shapes and sizes really. In American football you've got the big guys, you know, that play on the line. You've got the smaller guys then who do the kind of catching, the running, and then you've got the tackling side as well. So it is something for everybody. We play in the British League and there's about 60 teams in the league in total from all across the UK. We are the only team in Wales, although there are university teams in Cardiff, Swansea and Aberystwyth Unis and Bangor University. They play during the winter. Our season starts then normally end of March and finishes end of July, August time. We've played out the Llanharan Rugby since 2010. The club have been absolutely brilliant with us. You know, they do all they can to accommodate us. So this year we play in 4 home games. We've already played 2 games already this season, which I'm happy to say we won both. We trained down in a PANT, a comprehensive school in Pontyclun. We've really pushed to get the all-weather pitch because it always means we can do something even when the weather's really poor. We train every Sunday mornings from 10 till 1. 10 till 11 is normally classroom session where we review video and that's the complicated side. And then we get 2 hours of the actual practice out here. We also train Thursday nights after 7 o'clock until dark. And our youth team then, they train 10 till 12 in Llanharan RFC. So if people have never played before but always fancied it, we're a welcoming club, you know, we take everybody on board. We've got plenty of good coaches as well, which bring people up to a good level. So I'd recommend people come along and just try it out. If they want to come to games, all our fixtures are on our website, southwaleswarriors.co.uk. We're on Twitter @SW Warriors, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. Just look for us and you'll find all the details.